Hello guys, welcome to the Programmer Guide. I am going to start a course on regular expression where we will learn how to work with regular expression. And if you are in the field of software development or programming, then it's a very essential skill to have. It's allowed you to define text patterns that can be used for a variety of tasks, like validating the form data submitted by the users and extracting part of a string from a longer paragraph. In this video, we will learn the fundamentals of writing regular expressions, and through a series of multiple demonstrations, practically we will learn how to make an expression and how to anticipate the behavior. So let's get started. So the first question used to come in mind is, what is regular expression? So basically, regular expression is a sequence of symbols and characters expressing or representing a string or pattern to be searched for within a longer piece of text. Okay, it's used for matching, searching, and replacing text. It's not a programming language; it's a formal language and used by programmers and developers in programming language for validating data. In this series, we will call regular expression as regex for short, and there is some examples. Here are some examples of regex. Here we can test email address format, phone number format, credit card number format. We can count how many times a word occurs. We can replace the occurrence of same character with another character. And in the last of this video, we will do practical and I will show you how regex actually used to work. These are shorthand character sets. It's very important in regex. It is basically a basic building blocks for more complex patterns, and we use some shorthand character, and these are equivalent character. So, and this is the meaning, like because regex is a case sensitive, so be careful while making pattern that backslash small lowercase d means is digit, and if there is capital D, it's not digit, so be careful about it. These are some regular expression engines. Here are some languages. So in different languages there is different patterns and there is different kind of use, but the core functionality is same. Here is some other, there is notepad, some editors. Here you can test your pattern, and you can upgrade your skill. There, here is some regex buddy, regex magic. These are some applications that you can use. These are some online websites where you can use your regex. You can test your regex and you can upgrade your skills in regex. In this video I will use regexer because I like it. You can use another also. These all are same, but personally I like regexer. So let's go to the browser. So these are those three websites that I show you. Here you can test your regex, you can do some practice here, and you can enhance your skills. So this is regexer that I will use in this series. Here you can see, here we will write our expression pattern. Here will be our text, and here you can see the explanation. Everything that you will write here, you can see those explanation here. Okay, so you can see that there is some pattern is written over here. So what is the mean? So it indicates that any correct any word that should start with capital. So you can see here is capital. If I am doing small r, it will not match, right? So, and this w character is alphanumeric character, so you can see after this r anything can come, you can see, right? So let's see another example. This was default. Here I will check, I will make some pattern for these three mail ID. So let's make. So before making, we should understand that what is our requirement. So our requirement is, this is our character, this is our number, and then this is special character, and then gmail.com. Here you can see this mail.com and google.com. So according to that we have to make pattern. So here firstly I will match this, right? So let's make w, so it's matching. Then I have to place this. It means you can see here it's a quantifier. We will read about it in upcoming videos. One or more preceding token, it means it should be at least one, okay, that character. Then we need to check number also. So we read these character sets, right? Then this question mark, what question mark means? It's also a quantifier, match between 0 and 1. 0 and 1 means it can be there or it cannot be there, so both will work. After that, that is at the rate, so we will use. So now this thing is matching, we need to match this also. So for that what we will do, firstly we will check that what is the common thing. Here you can see G here, G also here, but not here, okay? So G can be there, G cannot be there, so we will group it, and then this. Now see, you can see it's matching, right? Now we need to check, there is male, there is also male, there is G also covering, so we will write like this. Don't worry, we will learn about it in our upcoming videos. Now see, this is matching, okay? We successfully write our regular expression. So we can see here like what's the mean. See, here you can see this character, right? This dot is showing escape character for this. It's escape character. Matches are dot character. Dot is not a character. In regular expression, dot is not a character. The meaning is different. Let me change it. Now you can see it's matching, but there is problem. Dot matches any character except line breaks. So let me write another also. Now I will do underscore. So why is happening? Because it is matching any character except line breaks. Okay, so it's matching. If I am doing line break, it will not match. So these are example. These, okay, and there is we can see here there is some flags that it's using here. These are standard regex. These are some flags. Is global means if your file have 50 pages, then it will search all 50 pages, right? And if we will remove it, it will match only first line and then it's done. Because regex used to work like this, it will match only one. We have to tell the regex that you have to search globally. So now you can see here, by default regex is case sensitive, so you have to, if you want to make it insensitive, then you have to put a flag which is for case insensitive. You can see here character is I, is for multi-line. You will search, like it will search multi-line, right? And here you can see, like we need to tell that is started of a string and is the end of the string. It's important to put these things. We will learn about it. What is this, right? These are examples I am showing you. So as we can see how regex used to work, and in our upcoming video we will see more. So let's go back to our slides. We should write a regex that is exactly matching our requirement, nothing more, nothing less. Another thing is case sensitive, so you have to put flag for making it case insensitive. Okay, so in our next video we will learn more about regex. So till that, keep learning, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, and see you soon better in another video.